How to get TikTok stream key for OBS. Want to stream on TikTok using OBS? Let's walk through how to get your TikTok stream key. So first, you need to unlock TikTok Live. That means at least 1,000 followers, being 18 or older, and following TikTok's community guidelines. And then from here, go ahead and open TikTok. Head over into your profile, and then on your profile, go ahead and head over to settings. So go ahead and head over to your profile. And then from here, go ahead and head over to settings. So to go to settings, click on this settings icon. And then from here, go ahead and look for creator tools. And then go ahead and click on Live Center. If eligible, you'll see the option for Stream Key. TikTok will generate a Stream Key and server URL, so copy them carefully and keep them private. Anyone with your key can stream to your account. In OBS, go to Settings, head over to Stream, and then head over to Custom Streaming Server. And then paste your TikTok server URL and stream key, and then click on Apply. Set up your screen in OBS with your camera overlays and audio, then click Start Streaming. Your broadcast will go live on TikTok. Now, not all accounts get stream keys. TikTok rolls this out selectively, so never buy keys from third parties. Always keep your secret. So if you're eligible, getting your TikTok stream key is simple. Add it on OBS and start streaming like a pro. And that is how you can basically get TikTok stream key for OBS.